In this video, we're going to look at the Kircher 15-inch attachment for a powered pressure washer, meaning a gas pressure washer. You can get various sizes and various devices for electric pressure washers, gas pressure washers. Also other cleaners for industry, it goes up to like 48 inches. I've seen them, the whole family, between 9 and 42 inches in diameter or length. There's some that are just pushers. However, in this video, we're going to look at the home version, which is available to do decks, which is wood, stained or completed wood, concrete, and of course the pavers. Now the devices themselves are pretty simple. It's just a bar with a couple of sprayers on them. There's foam or some other type of finish around the edges to allow it to float a little bit while it's being pushed or pulled around the concrete, wood, or pavers, which I'll demonstrate here in a little while. So if you zoom in, you'll just see a ball bearing piece that allows the center to spin around after you get some pressure on that, because the nozzles, which is in the other picture, really kind of are positioned in such a way as to spin the nozzle around, and I'll show you that. Now your pressure washers need these detachable devices on them so that you can attach it to the sprayer itself. If your pressure washer doesn't have these kinds of attachments, you're going to need to purchase them. So in this segment of the video, I'm just going to show you how the pressure spins the bar around. They're just angled off to the side a little bit, and it's pretty cool to watch this thing spin around. You don't really get to see that much as you're working. So I'll just show you in the video here the bar spinning around and how it cleans. So as soon as I can reach around and grab the nozzle here, we're going to show you the bar spinning around. There it is, twirling around. Now I'll show you, I'll face the camera so that you can see how that is produced. Now let's clean some concrete. I have some concrete over here. It's pretty dirty. It's just dirt, age over time, no real oil or anything like that, no really bad stains. I threw some de-icing chemicals on there during the winter, so there is pitted a little bit, but besides that I really don't have anything. And as you go back and forth, you can see it being cleaned up. However, since it's so dirty, it still looks dirty while it's being cleaned. However, after a while, I'll rinse it off so you can see that just a single pass here is enough to clean the concrete. And this has not ever been cleaned, and it must be like 20 years worth of just dirt, tree sap, gunk, anything else you can imagine. Has fallen on it. Of course, now it looks wet, it's dark, it's not really looking too clean. So like I said, I will clean it up and show you how it works. So here I am with my air blower. Anyway, I tried to dry it off real quick that way to show you, but I have a picture that I'll show you a little bit later. But as you can see, as it dries up, it's becoming clean, kind of pushing the dirty water out of the way, if you will. So anyway, that's how I dried it off, and it turned out pretty well actually to wash it and then dry it off. I have a picture coming up here. So here we show the concrete. I haven't done the pavers yet. You can look and see up by the door there was a pad there. So we're going to do some pavers around the porch. We're going to go ahead and clean those up. So with the pavers, it is not as dramatic as it was with the concrete. It's not very brilliant. Also, these pavers were not as old and dirty as the concrete was. So I'm just going to have to show you some pictures of the concrete as it's dried up. So here you can see just washing it, you just go back and forth. It's real easy. Don't use any soap. This is just water without any soap whatsoever. And here you can see the porch and the little walkway to the front door all cleaned up and dried off. Did a really good job. Very happy with it. Just water pressure, no soap, no chemicals whatsoever. Just cleaned it right up, and it did an outstanding job. Here is the walkway in the front. Again, the pressure washer cleaner just did an outstanding job cleaning it up. I highly recommend it, and I thank you for watching.